back to my channel. For everybody who's watching me for the very first time, my name is Priya and today we will be doing a holiday glam makeup tutorial. So we will be using BH Cosmetics palettes and we will be creating this look. So if you are somebody who loves the content I create, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button so you are notified every single time whenever I upload a new video. And if you want to see how I created this look, don't forget to watch till the end and let's get started. To save some time, I've already applied the foundation and I used MAC NC42 for it, and let's just get into the eyeshadow. And for that I have used the Covergirl True Blend Undercover Concealer for my eye base, and this time today I am using a eye primer as well. So for the eyeshadow primer I'm using the Milani Lightweight Invisible Finish, and it works on all skin tones. So to buff that out I'm gonna use the MAC NC42 setting powder so the eyeshadow doesn't crease. Two absolutely gorgeous, beautiful eyeshadow palettes which I'm using for today's look is called the Galaxy Chick and Supernova from BH Cosmetics. And if you are somebody who loves baked eyeshadows, these are the ones you want to get. Shades which I'm using from the Galaxy Chick palette for the outer corner of my eyes are Aphrodite and Mars. Aphrodite is a maroonish pinkish color and Mars is a chocolate brown color. So to give the outer corner of my eyes some depth, I'm using the chocolate brown color and I'm basically blending it in and dragging it towards the inner corner of my eyes. Let's go a little off topic. So this time, this Christmas and the holiday season is going to be a little different for everybody. So we all know that we are in lockdown and we all will be celebrating it differently this time. So I got my wine and my beer stocked. What do you guys have stocked? Let me know in the comments below, how are you going to be celebrating Christmas and the holiday season this year? So at least I can get some ideas. I am using the cut crease technique for the holiday glam look, and for the inner corner of my eyes I'm using the shade Libra from Supernova palette. What I'm doing is dabbing and packing the eyeshadow on the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm basically dragging it towards the outer corner of my eyes. For my eyeliner, I'm using the High Precision Black eyeliner from Sephora, and to highlight the high points of my face, I am using my favorite Covergirl True Blend Undercover Concealer, which I use in every single video of mine, and this concealer is in a lighter shade compared to my complexion. However, if you are somebody who doesn't like to highlight your face and you are using a concealer just for coverage, please do not use a lighter shade. Use the shade which matches your foundation color. I know, we are all going to be home during this holiday season, so people are gonna be like, hey, what's the point of putting on so much makeup when you're just staying at home and not going anywhere? Come on guys, you gotta boost the spirit up, hey? Dress up, look your best, cause you only live once. Next I will be using the Huda Beauty setting powder. It's in the shade called Blonde, and I'm just baking my face just underneath my eye area, my chin, my nose and my forehead, so the concealer which I applied does not crease. I'm using the Physicians Formula bronzer and the shade is medium to dark, and I'm just applying it in the hollows of my cheek, forehead and just my nose so I can get that slim contoured look. For the glow kit today, I will be using the Light Struck Glow Kit from Laura Mercier in the shade Ray, and I'm just applying it on cheekbones and the tip of my nose as well as the bridge of my nose. Thank you so much for showing all the love and support of my last video. I have received so many messages on Instagram and all my other social media platforms. I'm glad you guys loved it, and I can't wait to make more videos like that for you guys. Talk about lipstick. So I am one of those girls who do not like any kind of glossy or shiny lips, and I always pick and choose my lipsticks which are matte only. However, one of my friends gifted me one of the shades from the Anastasia Beverly Hills collection. It's the metallic collections, and I absolutely fell in love with it. I went to Sephora and I actually bought their whole collection of their metallic lipsticks. So this one which I am using today is called the Chrome Burgundy metallic lipstick, and guys, absolutely love it. To finish this look, I have used the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray, and if you love the content I create, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching.